teacher, respected Sister Lissy, our principal, Sister Renu, our headmistress, all reverend sisters of the community, dear teachers, parents, viewers, and my dear friends, a warm welcome to you all. Today is a very pious day as we, the students of class 10C, celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, the most transformative and inspirational figure of Indian history through this digital platform.
We also celebrate the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, who led our country towards progress and development. He gave the very popular slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna Award posthumously. Let us begin with our prayer assembly by paying a floral tribute to both these eminent personalities, and thereafter listen to the verses from the Holy Scriptures.
Readings from the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Text 47. You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty.
Reading from the Holy Quran. Serve God and do not associate anything with God. And be good to your parents and to your relatives, to the orphans and to the paupers, to the neighbors close by and to the neighbors remote, to the companions at your side, to the traveler and to your walls. For God does not love the arrogant, the boastful.
Readings from the Holy Guru Granth Sahib. The mind cannot get true peace by taking bath at places of pilgrimage, by observing silence, by keeping fast, by gathering riches, or by worldly clever methods. Divine peace and joy can be obtained only by wiping out the ego and by obeying God's will. The mind can be washed and purified by dyeing it with the color of God's name.
Readings from the Holy Bible, Matthew chapter 5. Love your enemies. You have heard that it was said, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. But I say to you, do not resist him who is evil. But if anyone strikes you on the right cheek, turn to him the other also. And if anyone would sue you and take your coat, let him have your cloak as well. And if anyone forces you to go 1 mile, go with him 2 miles. Give to him who begs from you, and do not refuse him who would borrow from you.
Let us invoke God's blessings on both the great leaders through this prayer dance.
तू
teachings and philosophy have been a guiding light, not only for our nation but for the entire world. Let us listen to the life story of Gandhiji, the man who is followed by millions. हम प्यार से जिन्हें बापू कहते हैं, उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। इनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 पोरबंदर, गुजरात में हुआ था। इनके पिता पोरबंदर में एक उच्च कर्मचारी थे और माता पुतलीबाई एक धार्मिक महिला थी। 19 वर्ष की आयु में विदेश जाकर वकालत की शिक्षा पूर्ण की और वकील बन गए। भारत आने के पश्चात इन्होंने मुंबई में वकालत की शुरुआत की, परंतु इन्हें इस क्षेत्र में सफलता नहीं मिली। 24 वर्ष की अवस्था में दक्षिण अफ्रीका में नौकरी मिली और यूरोपियों के साथ काम करना पड़ा। एक बार भेदभाव के कारण ट्रेन के फर्स्ट क्लास डिब्बे से बाहर निकाल दिया गया, क्योंकि ये डिब्बा यूरोपियों के लिए आरक्षित था। यह घटना गांधी जी के जीवन को क्रांति के मार्ग पर ले गई। दक्षिण अफ्रीका और विश्व में भारतीयों के साथ हो रहे भेदभाव का विरोध किया। सन 1914 में गांधी जी भारत वापस लौटे तो उस समय संपूर्ण भारत अंग्रेजों के अधीन था। सत्याग्रह और असहयोग आंदोलन चलाकर भारत को आज़ाद कराने का संकल्प लिया। सन 1921 में गांधी जी नेशनल कांग्रेस के नेता बने। नमक आंदोलन के लिए 400 किलोमीटर दांडी यात्रा करके भारतवासियों को नमक उत्पादन सिखाया। 1930 में अंग्रेजों पर नमक टैक्स लगाकर उन्हें चुनौती दी। इसके पश्चात खादी आंदोलन चलाकर विदेशी वस्त्रों का बहिष्कार किया।
सन 1942 में अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन चलाया, जो बहुत ज्यादा संघर्षपूर्ण था। सन 1947 में अंग्रेजों ने भारतवासियों के सामने घुटने टेक दिए और भारत को आजाद कर दिया। अंग्रेज जाते जाते अंतिम चाल चल गए, भारत को 2 टुकड़ों में बांट गए। सत्य, अहिंसा और शांति का पाठ पढ़ाने और सिखाने वाले इस अग्रदूत को सन 1948 में नाथूराम गोडसे ने गोली मारकर हत्या कर दी। आज गांधी जी हमारे बीच नहीं हैं, लेकिन उनके आदर्श और सिद्धांत आज भी हमारा पथ प्रदर्शन करते हैं।
On this special day, let us remember with fondness the words of the Mahatma.
The future depends on what we do in the present.
You must be the change you wish to see in the world.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
Happiness is when what you think, what you do, and what you say are in harmony. The good man is the friend of all living things.
You may never know what results may come out of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results.
Gandhiji stressed that all lives are sacred and gave immense importance to limit one's greed. He rightly said that the earth, the land, the air, the water are not inheritance from our forefathers, but on loan for our children.
I completely agree with you, madam. I am a doctor by profession, and I must say that Gandhi the man became Gandhi the philosophy which we try to imbibe in our life. When COVID-19 shook the entire world, India witnessed, after a very long time, a true spirit of Gandhivad, when our doctors became Corona warriors, worked day and night for our safety. Though the great leader is no longer amidst us, but his philosophy has become all the more relevant in today's world, as the entire world is suffering from a great disease and needs to be cared for. His idea of universal brotherhood steps in here, as only by helping each other we can fight this pandemic.
Next, we have an educationist to share her views on the teachings of the Mahatma.
Mahatma Gandhi taught us that we can bring harmony to our world by becoming champions of love and peace for all. His 5 pillars of non-violence, understanding, acceptance, appreciation, and compassion are basic to our existence. These are simple habits, and if we all start trying to nurture these, we could make a lot of difference to the entire world.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views. I, being a woman activist, would like to add that empowerment of women leads to the empowerment of the nation. This was the strong belief that Gandhiji had. Today, empowerment has become a fashionable buzzword, but Gandhiji's views on gender fairness had received acceptance decades ago. He held women in high esteem and strongly believed that a nation can only progress if its women are educated.
Rightly said, ma'am. I am in the administrative services and I feel the mind is a restless bird. The more it gets, the more it wants, but still remains dissatisfied. Here, the Gandhian ideology of Sarvodaya gives us a gentle reminder that welfare for all leads to the welfare of the nation, and in turn, the welfare of the entire world.
It has been aptly said that no saint, no prophet, no philosopher lives on. It is his message that lingers, and therefore it is no wonder that the Mahatma continues to be an inspiration. He said, "My life is my message." Let us pay a tribute to the Mahatma by means of this dance presentation.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम
आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई, दागी न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई।
Today, as we remember Gandhiji on his Jayanti, let us very specially pray for him, seeking God's blessings.
Today, on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we all, in a very special way, pray for our leaders whose decisions and policies have the potential to impact the lives of millions of people. God, help them see the impact of their actions and the potential to release healings and hope through just policies.
Dear Lord, the world needs your presence through people like Gandhiji, who may act with the power of love and non-violence to lift up the misery and crisis in our country. We thank Gandhiji, who always believed in the power of love.
Gandhiji is rightly known as the father of a nation, as his ideas and beliefs are a guiding light to be followed even after 75 years of independence. His idea of truth, non-violence, universal brotherhood, satyagraha and oneness of heart are popular all over the world. He gave the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, one world, one religion. The Mahatma taught us that if each one of us rise above desire, deceit, anger, lust and greed, we would not only liberate our soul but also pave way for the future generations to follow the same. Gandhiji said, and I quote, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." So let us all be the change and progress towards a better and a brighter future. Thank you.
Showing gratitude is the simplest yet most powerful thing humans can do for each other. As I stand here on behalf of Class 10C, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Principal, Sister Lissy, for providing us this opportunity to make this special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti a momentous and memorable one.
I would also like to thank Ashu Pandey sir and Ankit sir for their unending technical support, Ma'am Roomna Banerjee for her guidance and direction, and our class teacher, Ma'am Parveen Grover, for her encouragement and assistance.
I also would like to thank our parents for their cooperation. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my dear classmates for their passionate and enthusiastic work. May the good God bless us all. Thank you.